Darth Vader on her pumpkin. We taped the paper that we printed out to the pumpkin. Now she's using a tool to put holes around the face of Darth Vader. And after that, we're going to take the paper off. We're going to carve. Maybe using some small tools. I think it's going to be hard to use a knife. And we're going to get the, maybe the black part or the white part out. So that's cool. And she's doing a good job. She's got all the insides out, almost all the insides out.
Yeah, you found it?
Finish!
Good job.
Nice!
Let's move over.
One? Yes, that's yours.
So let's take a picture. Do you think you dug deep enough? Do you want to take it off?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. The moment of truth. We're going to look at underneath the paper and see what it looks like. It's okay if you rip it, I think. What does it look like?
Because of the smell?
How is it? It's good. Very good.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, it really is good. It's sticky. The paper's stuck to the pumpkin.
Yeah. I don't know why, but
What about really
just take it off.
milk?
Yeah, that'll work.
Really
I just use your nail. There you go. It's not too bad.
That's cool.
So how does it look? Can you see the holes?
Huh?
Can you see the holes? You can see them, can't you?
I can see it.
Yeah, that's fantastic. All right, so next we're gonna be carving some of this out. That's fantastic.
Wait.
Taking the insides out of the pumpkin. Yeah, it's really gross looking.
Smells too.
It's gross. Take it.
Raw smell.
So you guys got your
Alright,
top off and
It's
your
empty. She's done.
cool, and you've got your design on it.
No,
Stinky.
sticky, not sticky.
Good one.
Yeah, I mean you guys should poke holes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna put holes around the edge to cut that up. Cool. How's it going?
Not good.
It's kind of hard. You want a spoon? Spoon is easier. So we'll get a spoon. There you go. Use a spoon and scrape the inside. You know how to do it? So we're doing the carving now. Doing her music note here. Both girls are doing a real good job. Oops, I just bonked the table. So you can see here that she's using a, what is that thing called anyway? Kind of...
Please have that knife. If you're down.
Okay.
Good job.
Yeah, let's use the spoon. Here.
No, use it.
Yeah, let me watch you. Doing some pretty special work here. You can see she's really getting in here. She's doing the hardest part of Darth Vader's face. And it's hard to see, but she's getting the very small details. And we can see the picture here of Darth Vader. What she's trying to do is get the, she's getting in the little small places of the face now.
Please help me.
Okay,
Really
I'll
not
help
easy.
you.
Let's go over and see. You got a nice music note. Look at that detailed work.
Cut that, please.
Okay.
So today, we did a amazing Darth Vader helmet. We can't see the middle yet, right? Like the nose area. But for what you did, it really is good. And we'll try to work a little bit more. So anyway, great job. Nice Darth Vader. Thank you.
Yep, you're gonna put the.
So there's Darth Vader. She did a fine job. She did probably 90% of that by herself. Pretty incredible work.
You did a lot.
Well, I cut, but you did the shape and everything.
I cannot do it.
So anyway, good job.